just cleaned out the goose coop. And so now they're cautiously going in to check it out. I'm gonna see if I can go way around. What is it, Golly? Does it meet your standards? Let's see if I can go around. I have to go around this tree because I don't want to scare them. Just checking it out. Yeah, they got fresh straw in there. What do you think? Is that good? Here we go. Well, I think they like it. So fluffy. What do you think? Don't eat it. It's just straw. I guess I need to bring them some more hay. They do like to eat hay. They're herbivores, so they like to eat. That's what they eat, plants, basically. What do you think? Is it good? It's snowing a little bit. It's a little tiny bit. It's not for snacking. It's for sleeping. It's for bedding down at night. This is, oh, it's Valentine's Day today. Oh, I love you, Geese. Happy Valentine's Day. Probably won't put this video out for a couple weeks, but yeah, I think they find it satisfactory. What are those girls into? Yeah, what do you think? Is it good? Like, it's so fluffy. It was pretty matted down before. I was going to say probably about the 1st of March when this video does come out, I'm going to be putting in their nesting boxes. Had some nesting boxes built like 2 years ago before we even had the geese. And what was up with the ducks? Let me hear you, ducks. My dilemma is I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to put them. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put the nesting boxes in their coop or out here in the run area. Because I don't want them to actually have any hatchlings this year, hatch any eggs this year. Because I read that the first year they lay, which this will be their first year because I just got them last March, I believe it was. You know, they're just like chickens and ducks. They lay smaller eggs. They're pullet eggs. Of course, these are goose-sized pullet eggs, so they're going to be huge. But you really don't want them to grow a baby chick out of a pullet egg. And it might not have a lot of stamina. So what I had read is don't let them hatch the first year. So we're going to just collect the eggs this year, and then next year we'll let them raise up some hatchlings in 2024. So what do you guys think? It seems like you all approve, huh? Yeah? Okay, well, I gotta go. It's about lunchtime. Gotta make a lunch. And I'll get you guys some more hay. Here's our little hay. I don't know what you want to call this. Bin. But it's pretty old hay. Actually, there's a bunch of water. Looks like it's been... Yeah, that needs to be cleaned out. Let me get you some dry hay. There. Okay. Bye, geese. You're awfully quiet for geese. Yeah, that's because they're just checking it out. Looks good. We'll see you later. Bye. Bye, Golly.